This is little Albie and big Albie on Father's Day at the range. Albie's on his 22. Did you hit it, Albie?
Yeah.
Beautiful Sunday morning. Out plinking. What else do we have here? We got the Beretta PX4 Storm. We got the M&P Shield. And we also have the Beretta Nano we'll be shooting today. Go ahead, son. Good job. Shooting the Tikka T3 243 today. And we're going to be shooting at 100 yards. See what we can hit. You can stop.
The board.
Me.
Is that it? Alright.
Ready? Okay, this is the Mossberg 12 gauge pump action pistol grip shotgun. I'm going to see what this can do. Let's give it a shot. All right. All right. That was a slug. You hear that? Okay, so next on the list is the Tikka T3 243. We're going to be shooting at 100 yards with this. Very nice gun, very accurate, and we're going to have some fun. This is Father's Day out at the range with my boy Albie. He's going to take a video of me shooting this gun, and we'll see what we can See what we can hit. There's 3 in there. All right. Let's see what we can hit here. I'm going to try at 50 yards first, then I'm going to do 100 yards. I'll get a stool here. Ugh. This is what we shot today. The Tikka T3, the M&P Shield, the Beretta, and the Nano, and of course, the shotgun.